Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today I thought of pampering myself and I got VLCC kit. So this is best out of all for manicure and pedicure. So this has got some 4 to 5 step and this will leave your skin very smooth and detan it. So first step would be cleansing, wherein the cleanser which is involved, I have to add in water, in the lukewarm water, and I have to soak it for 15 minutes. It is got the goodness of soap nut, daru haldi, sikakai, cinnamon, margosa, lemongrass. So you can see how I did here for say 15 minutes, and then move ahead to the next step. So this is VLCC hand and foot scrub. You can see this is god shell powder, lemongrass oil, fenugreek extract, which scrubs your skin very well and removes the dead skin. So you have to apply entire your both the hands and both the feet. So that scrub would leave your skin to very soft, which I noticed after applying this. So you have to scrub this, say you can say some 5 to 10 minutes. Yeah, that's it, should be it. And then you have to rinse it with warm water. The third step would be foot cream, hand and foot cream, which is very softening cream. It has got extract of neem bark, lodra bark, wheat germ, and cocoa butter. So you can see I have taken generous amount and I have to apply it, massage it basically on my hands and feet. So both the hands, and this is very light in weight and this is very moisturizing, and it is little, you can say, oily. So you have to massage it really well for like 10 to 15 minutes so that it becomes soft and smooth. Our next step is anti-tan pack. So you have to sit with it for 20 minutes applying it. You can see it is a thick paste, so I have to apply on my hands and feet, and you can see it's little thick, and it is like any face pack which you apply, it's the same. You have to do it in manicure pedicure activity. So I'll have to apply it all over, and it removes the tan. They say it is got vitamin E, orange peel, silicone blend, etc. Step is cuticle oils, which you can do as a second step, but I thought that I have to do it at last so that it remains very close to my nails and it provides all the softness. It's got groundnut, sesame, sunflower, wheat germ oil, almond oil, and orange oil, and so many oil, which makes it very rich. So you can see how it left my hand so smooth and soft, and I am telling you that this is the best because it actually detanned my hands and it made my hand look very soft for the longer time. And now I'm applying nail paint just to feel my nails and feet a little beautiful and decorated. So you can surely give a shot to this VLCC manicure and pedicure set, because so far I found this best, because that actually removes the dead skin from my hand and feet, and also it leaves it so soft and it brightens it up. So you can see the glow for a week or so. So it's really beautiful and I would highly recommend you all. The price for this is 480 rupees, but all over the Nykaa or any other site you will get this on discount. Maybe you can get it in 300 also. So just try to have a hope this video was helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching.